Hi all, I'm Jisha. Welcome to my channel Paint with Me. I'm a self-taught painting artist and I'll be sharing my painting journey with you through the videos that I upload in this space. If you're a beginner in painting and looking for help, you're at the right place. Join me in this journey. Let's begin. Today we are going to paint a shoe flower or a hibiscus. To give you an overview, the first step is to do the background and outline the flower with colors. The second step is to add depth to the flower to give it a realistic look. And the third step is to add few water droplets. For the background, I have chosen a deep green color. You may try black or blue. For the flower, I am adding in the fuchsia pink color. To achieve a fuchsia pink, you can mix the permanent rose and the titanium white color. The brush I am using here is a number 9 flat brush. Ensure to blend in the colors. You can do that by using different sides of the brush tip, vertically and horizontally. Add some rough strokes to give definition to the petal. And I'm adding in some more strokes and some more. Now for the second step, I'm going to add in some darker shade of pink in the center portion of the flower. It's important to achieve a nice and smooth gradient of colors for a natural look. After adding in the deep pink color, once again let us blend all the colors together very well. Now I'm going to mark the center portion of the flower from where the style or the stalk is going to come out from. Now I am adding in little more white towards the corner of the By using a zero round brush, I am adding in fine white lines to enhance the details in the flower. You may use a liner brush as I'm doing the outline of the petal, which gives me a fair idea as how the petal is gonna look like. I'm gonna add shadows to give a realistic look, for which add a darker shade of pink right below the edge of the petal. Alright, now it looks good. Now I'm gonna do the style or the stalk part of the flower, for which I'm gonna use a white color to give it an outline. I'm gonna allow it to dry completely and then I'll come back and add some colors to it. I'll be using a combination of magenta, pink and white for the style part. Now we are at the third step. Let's do the water droplets. The droplets which are at the edge of the petal takes the green background, while the ones inside the flower gets a pink background. So let's give colors to them. Now the big green droplet here, I'm filling it with white and gradually adding in green to achieve a nice realistic look. Some more smaller droplets with white. Then let's do the water droplets inside the flower. I'm using white with a tinge of pink. Let's not forget to add shadows to the droplets, for which I'm adding fuchsia pink with white and a tiny portion of black to achieve this dirty. Now let's come back to the style or the stalk. I'm filling it with a darker shade of pink and magenta, and as we move above, lighten up the shape. The trickier part is the stigma and the anther, for which I am adding in few white fine lines and topping it with white and red spot. To finish up, add fine lines to define the petals to give it a beautiful realistic look. Blend in and With that, we have come to the end of the video. Hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and enable the notification to get the latest updates of my videos. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.